Imagine this for a second. You open your laptop, type a few lines like you're writing a movie idea for a product ad, and you get videos that look like this. Now imagine brands paying you thousands of dollars to make videos like this without filming anything. No camera, no crew, and no editing stress. Just an idea and AI builds it for you. Sounds crazy, but this is literally what's happening right now. And the workflow I found makes this 10 times easier and way cheaper. So I wanted to test something. Could I take a random idea I have, turn it into a full cinematic ad, and actually make it look like something a brand would pay for using AI? And stay till the end because there's a smarter way to do this. I'm going to show you the exact workflow I used and how to do it in a way that actually saves you so much money.
So the idea actually came from something simple. I was looking at these Jordan 13s and I've always loved how they look on my man. But what really caught me is the story behind them. They're inspired by a panther, the way it moves, the shape, the energy.
And I just kept thinking, why are brands still making basic product videos for something like this? This shoe ad should feel like a movie at night.
Something fast, controlled, powerful. And then you reveal the shoe, not just showing it, but making people feel it. That's literally where this started.
And I wanted to see if I could actually bring that idea to life using AI.
So I took that idea and I dropped it into ChatGPT. I basically just described the vibe. A product ad for Jordan 13s inspired by a panther. A silent city at night, a sleek black panther stalks through neon-lit streets, its eyes glowing, movements precise, calculated. Every step echoes power. Every landing is controlled. Cinematic, intense shots, and product reveal at the end. And it turned that into a full story, like an actual sequence. Then I just needed to bring this story to life.
And instead of jumping straight to video, I wanted to see what I'm working with. And what's better than building a storyboard? That's when I found this tool that honestly made the whole process 10 times easier.
It's called Topview AI. I've linked it in the description if you want to try it out. And y'all, it has this new storyboard tool powered by GPT-Image 2 to first generate a storyboard based on your idea into something visual. Only then you can use Seedance 2.0 to generate the video. So first thing I do after signing up, go to the dashboard, select image, then storyboard. And instead of guessing what to generate, I take the story I got from ChatGPT and drop it in here, just describing the scenes. Then I hit generate. And look at this. It builds a full storyboard. Now I can literally see the ad before it even exists.
And this is the part you don't want to skip to avoid wasting money. Because instead of generating random clips hoping something works, you're actually planning it.
Now let's bring it to life. So now I take the storyboard, go into Agent V2, drop it in as a reference, and now I guide the video. I start with something simple. Generate a video based on the storyboard in image 1. Panther moving through a neon alley, cinematic, intense camera shots, then product reveal. Hit generate. And just like that, you've turned an idea into a product ad. And if you want to build it out even more, you can chat with the agent right here, extend scenes and add more shots. But even this alone is already strong.
Now think about this. Brands don't just want product videos anymore, they want attention. Something that makes people stop scrolling. And if you can create ads like this, you're already ahead. You could do this for brands, create your own content, or build pages around products like this. Because the hardest part used to be production.
And now, that barrier is gone.
Now let's talk pricing. If you're testing ideas, you don't want to keep wasting money.
Topview's Ultra plan gives you unlimited GPT-Image 2, so you can create as many storyboards as you want, test different concepts, and refine your ideas. Then you can generate videos using Seedance 2.0, either with credits at around $0.1 per second, or go unlimited if you're creating consistently. Now, if you're just getting started, you can begin with the Pro or Business plan. But if you're serious about this and you actually want to scale, I highly recommend going with Ultra, because the more you create, the better you get and the faster you improve your results.
And listen, this isn't about AI doing the work for you. It's about how you think. Because the moment you stop just generating random clips
and start thinking like, what's the idea? What's the story? What's the feeling I want people to get? Everything changes. The tool just executes. You're the one directing it.
And you literally have ChatGPT, which does the work for you. And that's the craziest part. It blows my mind away to think this entire ad came from one simple thought. These shoes feel like a panther. That's it.
So don't overcomplicate this. Start with an idea, build it out, and actually finish something.
If you've made it this far, you already get it. So now it's on you to actually use it. I don't do fluff on this channel, just real strategies, real workflows, and knowledge you can actually use to make so much money online.
If you want to explore the tool for yourself, I've put the link in the description. Every click helps me keep this channel going so I can keep creating more helpful content for you.
If you want more videos like this where I break down how to create content with AI, how to turn ideas into actual videos and how to actually make money from it, make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you would create. I'll see you in the next one.